Intel's developer catalog of tools puts you at the center of cutting-edge AI. Let's take a look at how using OpenVINO optimizes inference performance. Tools like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and PaddlePaddle are great for machine learning and are optimized by Intel. But for really fast inferencing, using a dedicated toolkit like OpenVINO can maximize your results. Here are the streamlined steps to convert your models. Install OpenVINO. Convert your model to the OpenVINO format. Load OpenVINO runtime and run the inference. Success! Notice the immediate and improved performance in a given model. OpenVINO, the clear choice for AI model optimization. For the full step-by-step conversion process, scan the QR code or visit our blog link in the description.